in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on and enable the narrator feature on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and select that. Select on the left panel where it says accessibility. And then on the right side underneath vision, you want to go down and select narrator. Versus use narrator, toggle the narrator to the on position, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.